So I've already told you perception equals reality. That's facts. But I want you to know that what you see is not real. It's not real at all. This microphone, it's not a mic. It's a clump of matter. Ooh, I bet you didn't think of it like that, huh? All of this, everything that's in my room, this bed, that poster or tapestry in the back. That's not a poster. That's tapestry. Jeez. That is not real. A bird is not a bird. We just agreed to call it that. And it's a different thing. It's a different word in another language, yet it's the same organism. It's a clump of matter. It's just mass. Now let's apply that logic to something else. Let's use the news, for example. When you look at the news, do you really think you're getting the full story? I want you to really, really give me a good answer. Do you really think that when you look at the news, you're getting 100% the truth? Yes? Okay. I'm gonna just pretend you said yes. So why do all these other news companies, these news channels say something differently? Why is the same person in the same situation the good guy on one channel and the bad guy on another? Why is that? Perception is reality. What you see is what you think. There's a freaking quote by Mahatma Gandhi that I'm going to show you. It goes as follows. Your beliefs become your thoughts become your words become your actions become your habits become your values, and your values become your destiny. But it's specifically beliefs become your thoughts that I want to point out. What you believe becomes what you think, and eventually what you think becomes your destiny. And the reason that's so profound is because you can change what you believe. You can determine what you believe. But you just say, oh, yeah, that's right. I believe it. I stand by that. You can change that. You determine that. Why not believe in something that serves you? Right? That would be the logical thing to do. Because again, none of this shit is real. So if nothing is real, then what is real? That's a good question. I think what is real is determined by us, the observer. Because think about it. We can be faced with the same situation, yet two different people will feel two different ways about it. That's why people say look on the bright side, because that's a positive way of looking at things. Yes, your whole world just ended, but what are the pros of the situation? The funny thing about that is it's literally how the universe works. Perception equals reality. It's literally how the universe works. Because what you perceive or give your attention to, you get more of. And ask anybody who knows this shit, ask anybody, and they'll tell you the same thing. If you choose to engage in positivity, you'll receive positivity more. Like I said, it's like an algorithm. Whatever you put your attention to is what you get. The universe is an algorithm, so it sees, oh, it's engaging. You're engaging with positive things. So, okay, I'm going to give you more positive things. It works exactly like an algorithm. I want you to understand that the universe works exactly like an algorithm. So, with that logic, you can manipulate your perception into positive thinking. And positive thinking equals a positive reality. Hence, perception equals reality. And going back to the quote, beliefs ultimately equal destiny. So we just put beliefs equals destiny. So if I believe positive things, my destiny will be positive. That's ultimately what happens. We skip all the fluff in the middle. We cut from the beginning to the end. That's what happens. So embrace infinity. Peace.